coincidence that the landscapers were here. All the cats running free in the neighborhood. The relentless spraying of poison. Like I said, it's always a new excuse, an absolutely relentless dedication to wasting resources. Always a reason to be burning gas and making noise. Don't you fucking clown robots that live here pretend like this is necessary. What they're doing is uglifying these bushes. In fact, I meant to film those yesterday because they were finally starting to look nice, and I thought, oh, Cagwin and Dorwood will come make those look like shit. Don't want any healthy plants. Appropriate, to say the least, that we saw the dead hummingbird, because these guys are going to chop down hummingbird nests. Jesus Christ, look at the face of these plants. They're skeletonizing what were previously semi-attractive plants. You fucking idiots. Now, where's this clown think he's going? Look at this fucking leaf blower sitting there and mixed all of his poison plants. Cagwin and Dorwood provides the noise. City of Roseville pays for it, funds it, which means you fund it. Well, when you hear that stupidity, and even over here smell that stupidity, it reminds me to check this for the day that Roseville's Park Service comes and chops down the native poppies.